Hey there, Mama. How are you? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, babies. I just want to look at you. Can I see your eggs? Huh? Can I just look at your eggs? I won't hurt you. You're so beautiful. You're a good mommy. It's not a good place to put your eggs, though. Huh? It's okay. I won't hurt you, baby. I won't hurt you, baby. You got 4 eggs. 4 eggs. I see those 4 eggs. They're beautiful. I'm gonna go block them off. So I gotta block them off because I cutting grass and I almost run over them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find something. I'm gonna find something and mark them off so they'll stay safe. Okay. Give it back.